Because I went into Nova Scotia.
Yeah.
One of my friend in there, my subscriber, give me a fish. That's why I'm cooking. Right there. No, I don't know how to speak French, man. Sorry about that. A little English, yeah.
I don't know. This is Istanbul, I don't understand. You know.
I don't understand you speak. So you. Oh, I'm sorry. I cannot help you with that because everything here is French. Nice to meet you, man.
This is Philippines, right?
Philippines, yes. You know, okay, huh?
Pangulo.
Oh, Bangulo. Bangulo, yeah. Alright, you guys. Good morning. Good morning. At agigising ko lang. At ang current location natin is dito tayo ngayon sa Montreal na. Mga 2 hours drive to Montreal. Dito na ako inabot ng gabi kagabi. Galing tayo ng Galing tayo ng Nova Scotia. Pabalik na ako ngayon, guys. Nakita niyo naman ang pinagdaanan natin. Yan. Mag-aasikaso ako, itutupi ko na itong mga higaan ko. Tapos marami akong mga hugasin, dadaling ko doon kasi may maganda silang sink dyan eh. Diyan ako maghugas. Yan naman, let's go! Start now our day. Tupiin natin muna tong itong mga higaan natin para presentable naman at saka malinis, hindi magulo. Maliit yung pwesto, pero kahit maliit basta malinis, maayos ang pakiramdam mo. Oh. Daling ko itong mga hugasin ko doon, guys. Samahan nyo ako, maghugas tayo ng mga hugasin. Medyo may karamihan ng hugasin. Linisin ko. Tapos dalhin ko yung isang isda na binigay sa akin. Wow! Kasi gusto kong prituhin. May kutsilyo. Doon ko nahiwain. Ito guys. Lock natin. May big prit dito tulog din. Alright. Nakailaw pa to Gwapo ng truck na to. Wow! Kenworth 61. Belleroy truck stop dito sa Quebec. 2 hours drive to Montreal. Thank you. Sorry. Okay. Ganyan lang guys kapag wala tayong sink eh, pag nakakita tayo ng maaaring mapaghugasan, hindi natin gamitin to.
Driving motorbike?
What's that?
Motorbike?
No, I'm a truck driver.
Truck driver, camera.
Yeah, I'm doing a video vlog.
Huh?
Yeah, video vlog. Yeah, video vlog. I have my video vlog, so
Good for you, eh?
yeah, thanks man. You?
I'm a truck driver too, but I don't have a camera. I have a camera on the dashboard.
Oh, okay, you have a camera in dashboard, yeah. Yeah, I'm just doing a video vlog, like everything in the road, like what I'm doing right now. Because you're a truck driver, right?
Yeah.
So we don't have any sink inside the truck. So this is what we do.
You give too much bother, you know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. No, I don't know how to speak French, man. Sorry about that. A little English, yeah.
I don't know. This is some word I don't understand, you know.
I don't understand you speak. So you. Oh, I'm sorry. I cannot help you with that because everything here is French.
Yeah, everything is
I don't understand. What does that mean? Product non-liver? I don't know. Okay. Do you understanding French?
Huh?
Do you understand it? French?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. Okay.
I speak little bit French.
Yeah. It's hard to. Sometimes if we don't know the language, eh?
Yeah.
So where you from?
Sri Lanka.
Eh? Ontario?
Ontario, but back home is Sri Lanka.
New Zealand?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, okay. Is nationality Sri Lanka, okay. Nice to meet you, man.
You're
Nice.
from Philippines, right?
Philippines, yes. You know, okay, eh?
Pangulo.
Oh, Pangulo, yeah.
I got a
Yeah.
good friend, Kitaro. He's in Kitaro in Toronto. He's a very funny guy.
Okay, it's a Filipino?
He's Filipino, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
He's a nice guy.
He's nice, guys. Thank you, guys.
He's working in warehouse. Really great, nice guy. He has in the home a snake too, eh?
Okay, yeah.
They have a snake. The food, everything. I go one time in his house. They show me, hey, I have a snake. I think more than double of things like this. Longer snake. They can sleep.
Okay, that's. So where are you heading right now?
The guy?
Where are you heading? Where are you going?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm going to Toronto.
Toronto, yeah.
My log is earlier ready, but because they told you they have a one pickup.
Uh-huh.
You have to wait for that, they give you no pickup. I put it half an hour and wait if I come and get a coffee.
Okay,
And
yeah.
then I get ready to go.
Oh yeah, me too. I'm still working with my hours. That's why I'm washing my dishes beforehand.
Yeah.
Alright, man, take it easy. What is your company?
Takia.
Takia.
Takia, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
The parking and beside the front one.
Over there? Okay, man. Take it easy. You don't want no leads?
They have it, but okay.
Oh yeah. You never know. You're gonna drop it. So
Because
Yeah,
this
that's
one is fast to like a plane. This one no, like a kitty hard.
okay. Wait. You don't want them too hot, yeah. Okay, man. Take it easy there, okay? Okay. Pasama siya sa content natin. Hindi ko masyadong maintindihan yung kanyang accent, pero galing siya ng Sri Lanka. Hindi ko na rin inalam guys yung pangalan niya kasi hindi rin naman natin siya hindi naman tayo magtatagal kausap siya. Malamang hindi na rin kami magkikita dyan kasi nandito ako, bihira lang din ako pumunta rito, so wala bang mangyari. So anyway, continue tayo dito sa paglilinis natin. Meron akong isda rito. Linisin ko to. Ito mag-iihaw, gluto tayo isda. Alright you guys, meron tayong isda rito. Binigay ni Pulunciano nung nandun tayo sa Nova Scotia. So lilinisin ko tapos lulutuin na natin. Shout out sa'yo kaibigang Paul, no? sa isda mo. Linisin ko lang to. Malinis na malinis. Para wala silang masabi. Alright guys, dito na tayo sa truck. Check ko muna yung ano, yung engine ng makina guys bago ko paandarin. Magluluto tayo. Check muna natin ang engine ng makina. Tignan ko muna yung label ng kanyang ano, langis-langisan bago natin paandarin si Cordapia. Yeah. Okay. Sabi nila by the beginning of the day, chine-check ang langis. Pumunos natin dito. Oh, pwede pa. Dito. Ayan. Nasa ano pa, max pa. Siyempre, ang side ng truck natin, tinitignan natin baka may pinagpapawisan dahil mayroon ng ano, mayroon ng tagas dyan sa ilalim. Dapat walang tumulo dyan. Kabila. Kasi may mga bagay guys na avoidable na maintenance, kaya ngayon pala i-check na natin. Okay. Mataas pa ang kanyang coolant. Nasa max pa. Oh, kanyang fuel filter. Ilalim. Super, walang naglilik sa ilalim. Walang tumatagas. Tamang maintenance lang. Wala naman tayong ibang ano pwedeng gawin kundi ganun lang. Katulad nito. Mahigpit na mahigpit yung ilisi ng ano na to. Kasi sarado yung ano niya. Sarado yung kaniyang mga valve sa loob, kaya mahigpit. May mga nagtatanong, no, bakit daw sabi nila yung pan ng aking truck itong pan na to maluwag daw. Noon kasi may mga video tayo na maluwag. Kapag patay ang makina, hindi mo talaga maano yan. Kasi ang reason kung bakit ano na ibababa natin ito, katulad natin hindi natin magalaw. Kasi yung mga cylinder sa loob, ewan ko kung tamang pag-i-explain ko, nakasarado. So yung hangin na-compress doon. Kaya naman ngayon, katulad ngayon, pag nakita yung hindi mo magigiing na ganyan, talagang normal yan. Kasi nga yung mga cylinder sa loob at saka yung ano pang mga ano sa makina na hindi ko ma-explain kasi hindi naman ako mekaniko. Base lang din to sa mga nababasa ko at napapanood ko. Yun ang reason kung bakit maluwag. Nakabukas sila kapag ito nagagalaw natin yung pan. Kapag nakasarado sila, hindi mo magagalaw kasi yung hangin na compress. Katulad ngayon, nakasarado kaya hindi mo magagalaw yan. Kasi yung hangin sa makina, yung mga cylinder dyan, kung ano pang mga makinarya nasa loob, nakasarado yun. Yun. Sana na-explain ko ng maayos sa mga iba kasi ayan guys, sana na-explain ko sa mga viewers natin kasi napapanood nila kapag nag-inspection ako ng truck ko, bakit daw maluwag yung pan ng ating truck, yung makina. Dito yung pan. Base lang din sa ano ko, napapanood ko. Hindi pa naman ako nagtatanong sa ibang kapwa natin
truck driver o owner operator dyan na may alam sa makina. Kasi ang reason kung bakit maluwag minsan kapag ganito pati ang makina at na nagagalaw mo siya is yung mga cylinder sa loob niya ang makina, yung mga valve kung ano pa mang meron dyan is bukas sila. So kapag bukas sila at kung pinihit mo ng pinihit ito, pinaikot mo ng pinaikot ito, yung mga valve, sasarado yung mga valve at saka yung hangin makukompress, kaya magiging mahigpit siya. Yun na naman na magtutulak doon sa yung valve doon, kung ano man ang ginagawa ng valve sa loob ng makina, yung mga cylinder doon, para sa ganon paanoan nito, paluwagin niya para umikot. Sa ngayon nakapatay ang makina natin, hindi natin maikot yan kasi nga yung loob ng makina, yung kanyang mga cylinder valve doon is nakakompress yung hangin. Yun, pero tingnan nyo rin yung mga truck nyo, kung pinaikot yung ganyan, dire-diretso ang ikot, may diferensya na yun. Pero dapat mayroon siyang yung ending, kumbaga sa yung loop niya, malambot na pahigpit. Ganun yun ang datingan niya, kasi yung mga makina sa loob, tulad ng mga cylinder, yung mga piston, naglalaro rin yung mga yan doon. Okay guys, ayan. So far wala akong nakikita hindi maganda. Ikutan natin ng truck natin hanggang doon sa kabila. Papunta tayo ng guys Montreal na para mag pick up. Wala pa akong load ngayon, tamang-tama ito. Tapos magluluto tayo. Tamang luto mga kaibigan. Labas ko rito yung aking mga dapat ilabas. Siyempre sarado ko muna ang makina. Dito. Diyan natin i-sit up. Tapos i-plug natin dito. Alright guys, yan, na-set up na natin. Lagyan ko ng mantika para uminit na. Tamang-tama to. Mantika na gamitin natin guys. Yan, pure olive oil. Painitin natin bago natin i-dump itong mga isda natin dito galing Nova Scotia. Alright guys, pagsakan na natin to. lang guys. Saktuhan lang. Sakto lang ang pagkakaluto. Oh guys, sama natin our friend here from Big Fred.
Yeah.
So, is it okay for you, my camera here?
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
Okay. Just gonna say hi to my buddy here.
Hey, hi.
He's
Yeah.
doing a picture with
Yeah.
the Big Fred company.
Yeah, I'm search for
Yeah,
big freights, yeah.
but he cannot do it alone, so I tell to him that I can do it for you. And now he's, what's your name?
Search.
Search Lakay Cracker, see?
Yeah.
In
Tucker,
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
New York?
YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube. Yeah, I have a YouTube, so you're gonna be in camera.
Ah, okay. That's at Philippines.
Yeah, it's no, it's here in
Ah, okay.
Canada. Yeah.
Ah, YouTube, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, nice, yeah.
Well, while we cooking
Manitoba,
food, yeah, I live in Manitoba.
Yeah, good.
Sometimes I have a problem here in Quebec because lot of sign here is French. I don't understand too much French. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the hard one actually. Yeah.
Last night I actually lost because it's construction over there and the main road is blocked by the cone, so I have to detour.
Yeah.
And my GPS is don't know what to do. I have to make a U-turn all
Yeah.
over the places, even in the
With a big truck and make you turn.
yeah. That's the problem with if you don't know. I mean, have to so it won't burn. That's the problem if you don't know actually. You know, I'm not going in here always, so
Yeah.
I'm not familiar in here in this area. I only go with west Alberta all the way to Vancouver and Midwest and Ontario.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my run usually.
The bay. You know,
Yeah, those.
Yeah.
And then going into the east, because I went into Nova Scotia,
Yeah.
but it's
Not Newfoundland, eh?
yeah, it's
Yeah, went to
I'm not
Newfoundland.
familiar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some people,
New Brunswick.
yeah, I've been there. One of my friend in there, my subscriber, give me a fish. That's why I'm cooking.
Ah,
Right there.
okay. Yeah, it's good, eh?
I'm cooking fish.
Wow.
Yeah, and I have a vegetable here also for the dinner. Okay.
good.
So you where you come from?
Me, I'm Lebanese. I'm from Lebanon, but I live in Montreal. Like,
Oh.
Montreal, yeah.
So you're living in Montreal.
Yeah, Montreal. I have my home at Montreal.
Lebanese. Our friend Serge from
Yeah.
Lebanese.
Yeah,
So what
man.
are you doing right now? You going to picnic?
Yeah, I'm going at midnight, at noon at New York.
Oh.
Go to Saint Mathias first to deliver,
Okay.
Quebec, and after that New York.
So you're going to Quebec.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And go to New York.
Saint Mathias, yeah.
What are you, the company driver or owner operator?
No, I'm a company driver.
Are you single?
Yeah, only one there.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
What is it? Is your truck is running?
No, that's just for the AC, the APU.
Ah, it's on the APU.
Yeah, just
Okay.
on the APU
To
go
keep
down.
cool- to
Yeah,
keep
but
cooling.
Not the engine, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Well,
Yeah. The engine itself.
well,
It
Yeah.
doesn't use a lot of fuel.
Oh, okay.
It's small, it's the engine here. So,
Engine for the EPU?
yeah, the engine, the engine is inside.
Oh, this is the engine for the EPU. Okay.
So when you open, you can check the oil and check the engine, alternator, everything.
Oh, what is that though?
That will do the ventilator for the AC. And
Oh,
the inside.
that's the fan.
For the AC.
Oh, for the AC.
Yeah,
Okay.
you see that if you touch that,
Oh yeah, I see. Oh, okay. So this is the engine and this is the complete
that is a box to store the
box. You can
Yeah.
put something in there.
Yeah.
I don't have like that. Oh.
Yeah, but you have a here engine for that the repair you have.
Oh, this is for the trailer. There's a lot of plies going in here now. Oh, I have to finish all my things up now though. So you're going now?
I'm going in 20 minutes, but I'm just going to do some stuff and
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright man, take it easy.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time, okay?
Yeah.
Friend
Yeah.
Search here from Montreal.
Yeah.
He's with Big Friend. Okay,
What's your name again?
next store. You can look at me in Lakay Tracker,
Okay.
Lakay Tracker in YouTube.
Okay. Yeah.
You can see your video there.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, bye-bye man. Alright you guys, tapos na rin ako. Magkaroon tayo ng kayo kakilala. Okay. Tignan natin kung ano makukuha sa walis yung loob ng ating trailer para hindi na tayo magpahugas pa. Magpipick up tayo mamayang gabi. Linisin muna natin to para ano, sigurado. Dahanin natin sa walis-walis. Ay, hindi naman marumi. Hindi marumi ang trailer, okay lang. Dry naman yung ating reload eh. Tabi ko lang to. Lagyan na natin sa side. Okay. Lagay lang natin sa side para hindi sagabal. Yun. May ginang nakasipti itong mga to para hindi nila magalaw pagka ano. Kasi hindi naman kailangan to sa reload natin, next reload natin eh. Yun. Yun. Malinis, mat. Nalinis. Damputin lang natin tong mga dumi. Hindi pala kailangang walisin. Tapon ko doon sa basuran ko sa loob. Hindi kailangan walisin. May siksik yung ano. Ayan. Dry naman ang reload natin eh. Yun na kailangan paugasan. Apat pala to, apat. Meron pa dito. Ayos. Okay na yan. Hindi natin kailangan walisin. Alright guys, tara. Hindi naman natin kailangan walisin. Kain muna tayo. Tapos pahinga bago lumarga sa biyahe mamaya. Okay. Pwede na siguro yan. Kanina pa rin naman ito eh. Warm up lang. Tara mga kaibigan, kumain muna tayo. Ayan, meron tayong ano rito. Simple lang yung pagkain natin. Meron tayong prinito kong isda kaganina. Tapos tong ilinuto ko rin kaninang broccoli, isang itlog at saka tong patatas. Substitute ko muna ng kanin kasi hindi muna tayo nagkakanin. Pero kumakain pa rin ako ng kanin. At pagkatapos ko kumain na to, magpapahinga lang ako. At pagkatapos lalarga na tayo kasi may pick up tayo mamayang alas 8 ng gabi sa may dito sa may Montreal, Quebec. Naisend na nila sa akin yung pick up ko at saka yung bayad. Hindi ko na sasabihin guys kasi pinagbabawal nila. Kaya naman, kain muna tayo guys. Kumain na rin kayo dyan. At muli, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang panonood sa video vlog nila. Kaya no, thank you talaga. Ingat kayo lagi dyan guys. Peace up. Bye bye.
Lakay Pinoy Tracker.